And now what's sometimes our arch nemesis with machines, the oxygen cage, and how to troubleshoot the oxygen cage.
Okay. First of all, there is a step-by-step guide on how to operate the oxygen cage for use, and also a troubleshooting guide underneath that in the event that you're experiencing a problem with the oxygen cage. That is posted on the side of the oxygen cage here. When you first go to use the oxygen cage, you just need to turn the power on by flipping this switch here. And then you have to calibrate the machine. So you need to press the calibrate button. And you're going to hold that for about 15 seconds until the panel display here flashes. And once that flashes, we can remove our finger from the calibrate machine. The oxygen percentage should hold at 20.5% oxygen and then start to increase. It should never decrease. If it does decrease, then there's a potential problem with the cage, and Schneider manufacturers should be called. After proper calibration, you'll need to set the cage to the proper oxygen concentration. This is done by using the set point. When using the set point, you want to make sure that the set point is set 2% above the desired oxygen in the cage and 2 points below the desired oxygen. So to set the high point, we're going to press up, and you'll notice that it's set at 45%. We want the oxygen cage to be at 40% in this situation. So, oh, hold on, pressed the wrong button. So we're going to set the high point to 42. And then we will set the low point by pressing the low button to 38. Now what this is going to do is this is going to make the oxygen cage produce 42% oxygen and then turn off the oxygen. And then when the oxygen gets to 38% in the cage, the oxygen will kick back on, maintaining it at about 40% oxygen the entire time the patient is in the cage. Until the oxygen concentration gets to where you have it set, the low concentration is going to flash. So be aware of that. And that is how you set the cage properly. Now you're ready to place the patient in oxygen.